I'm still upset that LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 doesn't have 22,000 straps on it. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 Summit White. Now, LeBron didn't wear the Zoom Soldier 12 in the finals, and so that means that we're not going to get a bunch of colorways of the Zoom Soldier 12, but they didn't win the championship anyway, so we're not going to get a finals pack out of that anyway. Plus, Kyrie is gone, so again, even if they won, we wouldn't have gotten a finals pack anyway. This colorway is not a Strive for Greatness colorway, so it does not have anything special on the tongue tab, and that's a little bit disappointing, but it has its own little special flair that actually makes it its own shoe. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 box with the spray paint graphic on the top, as well as the LeBron James word logo on the back, and the King's Crown on the front. And the color code is Summit White and Province Purple. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a mostly white upper with the laceless design, and you have a gray and blue strap. Take a look at the toe. You have perhaps the most interesting design of the shoe. It's kind of foam design, and it's got embossed logos all over the shoe, and the logos have the King's Crown on it, as well as an arrow going through it. Moving towards the tongue, you have the gray inversion straps with the blue Nike swoosh on the bottom as well as on the top. The insole is red with the white King's Crown logo. On the inside of the inversion strap, you have the King's Crown logo, which is almost standard for every LeBron Zoom Soldier 12. And you also have a smaller King's Crown logo as well. On the lateral, you have the circular knit upper, as well as the rest of the inversion strap. On the heel, you've got the Velcro patches on both sides of the shoe, as well as the blue pull tab. And on the lateral side, you've got the Dunkman logo. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white circular knit, as well as the gray inversion straps. And on the medial side, you have this kind of like pass through on the Velcro strap to help lock down the shoe if you want to play ball with it, with a tiny bit of red for the strap loop. The midsole is a white midsole, and on the outsole you have this kind of marble gray and white design with the King James logo on the top and the Nike swoosh, and you have this white panel separating the forefoot and the heel. This colorway reminds me of the LeBron 15 Ultramarine, which was based on the Air Max 180 Ultramarine, and that color combination of white, blue, and red is a clean colorway, plus it, America. I do like the kind of like foam detailing on the toe, as well as the logos, but I do wish that they had a little Strive for Greatness logo right on the tongue tab. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 Summit White hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 30th for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.